Hello everyone, welcome to my channel, My Kitchen Appliances. This is my first video about my kitchen appliances. I thought of sharing a demo with you using the Vitamix, which is A2500 Accent Series. Red color, I shopped in Target during my Thanksgiving 2017. So I would like to show a short and crispy demo about the features available in the Vitamix. First of all, what all items comes in the box is like, this is the base, which is the actual machine, and there is a jar which is 64 ounce, and that's quite bigger, which I love about this feature, so that you can use more than like 6 to 8 servings, and you have 8 cups measuring as well. Then you have a tamper where you can use it for making ice cream, smoothies, or like hot soups. If you have like you're using more of frozen stuffs, you can use the tamper. So these are the stuffs comes in the box, and there is a card which you'll have to connect to the plug and at the base as well. So we're gonna turn it on, and there is a display. This is the A2500 Accent Series again, and there's a small sticker over there. I'm just gonna peel this off, and you can see a quite nice digital timer. So this is the one where you can see the display, how many minutes or seconds you're going to use during your process. And there are 3 options. First one is smoothie, and second one is ice cream, and the third one is making a soup. This is a start and stop button, and this is a pulse button. And there's a jar over here, so I'm just going to place on the top. So this is kind of tricky here. This is quite smart Vitamix, because why would I say that is it actually sense the jar is in or out because of the child safety. So I'm going to place the jar over here, and if you take it off and if you turn it on, it doesn't get on, or it doesn't like run. So once you keep the jar on, then it works. Now I'm going to tell you about the smoothie. Can you see the timer over here, which is like 50 seconds? And I'm going to start this button, and you can see what's exactly happening. The speed increases by itself. Within 50 seconds, the smoothie will be ready. So you're going to see. So the timer starts from 50 seconds and goes decreasing, and the smoothie will be done in 50 seconds, which is really quick. And you can even see the speed increases on its own, and we do not do anything about it, and you can just stay away and you can do your work, and it will be stopped automatically once the timer is done, which is a really good super duper blending feature, because we need not stand and assist it all the time. So you can just turn it on and you can do your work and come and get your smoothie done. Now the next option is like there is an ice cream option, so which is like 55 seconds. It works as same as the smoothie. And the third option is soup, which is 5 minutes and 45 seconds. Trust me, it is really hot. I've tried couple of soups, which was like really awesome, and it was very hot as you made it on the stove top. I didn't even imagine it's going to be that hot, and it was very tasty, and it was so fresh. So this takes like 5 minutes and 45 seconds. So once you turn this on again, the smoothie will be like done in 5 minutes 43 seconds, and the speed increases and accelerates among however needed, and the soup becomes hot once the timer is done. So you need to wait until the timing which is set automatically. And you can see the speed regulators, which is from the option is from 1 to 10. So if you're doing some kind of Indian curries like chutneys, or you're preparing any stuffs like powders or any masalas, you can just use these speeding options however you want, and you can keep increasing, and which is a cool feature. However the hard the item is, you can use it, and you can even use it for making an idli or dosa batter, which is even done more quicker than using the grinder. So I'm going to show you more on using this Vitamix for all the recipes like smoothie. I have like more than 100 smoothie recipes you can see in my videos, in the upcoming videos. So I'm going to show you this. See, I'm going to keep this in 2 and turn it on. This is a 2-speed and the timer increases actually, how long it's been like running, and the speed increases. This is the pulse option. So turn the speed, use the pulse option. However the speed you want, you can use the pulse option, you can just take it off. So this is how the pulse option works, and there is a tiny little lid over here, which is a round thing. You can just turn it on, twist it and turn it. Just a small tiny lid. If you don't want to open the complete lid when it's running, actually, for using the tamper option, so I can use the tamper and just push it down for easy and nice smoothie blending, or for soup or whatever it is, whatever hard substance if you're using. And other thing is like how to use the lid. There's a two side kind of a clip stuff, and there is a tiny little rubber over here. So just place it on the side, just do click. You can hear two clicks, one click and two clicks. So the lid is already closed and secured. And there is a cute little option for pouring purposes, kind of a small mini shape over here, so that it will be easy and it doesn't spill around. And there is an ml option as well. The capacity is 2000 ml. So hope you like this demo. You can post more of your questions on the comment options. Please do like, share and subscribe. And my channels are My Kitchen Appliances and My Cooking. Thank you.